Det går inte snabbt för dem. Hallå? Han med? Hon är med. Fan. Borde de protestera eller? Ja. Och så hon bara sitter i sin telefon. Som... Jävla idiot.
What's your prediction? How long does it take?
Honestly, I think I can crush that. If we're not going to break it, it's not going to take us 3 years.
What do you think? A year, 2 years? What's the number in your mind? Jermaine, thank you so much for doing this. I really appreciate it. I know it was a long journey home, so I can't thank you enough for jumping on the phone here. I'm sure you're pretty tired. Congratulations on the victory. Congratulations on coming all the way back. And congratulations on overcoming so much. It's really an amazing story, and your attitude.
Yeah, man, absolutely. Especially when all the hype was behind him. Him being the pound-for-pound greatest fighter in the world. That's who I wanted to fight. And
up to me now. This is one of the things that's so insanely fun about this tour, which is so positive. It brings me to tears regularly. It's mind-boggling because people come up to me, and this is happening wherever I go now, and they say they're very polite when they come and talk to me, and they're always apologetic for interrupting. So it's never narcissistic, and it's never annoying. I'm really happy to see people, and they come up to me. And
so much positive that gets ignored, and where people are looking for any little thing that they could possibly miss for entertainment.
Of course, it's just force. But during his travel, his wife,
yeah, that was a different thing. That was.
But he did admit, he's like, I don't believe it.
He's got a business.
Well, the thing about a lot of they pulled him off of YouTube and they pulled him off of Twitter and Facebook too, and iTunes, and he's got a major lawsuit with a firm that doesn't compromise.
Well, there's two guys that are being sued over that. Alex Jones and a guy named Wolfgang Helbig. He's also being sued. That guy.
White that blends with snow.
So like when you're looking at over him, even though he does look great, you compare his looking great to what he looked like when he was Ubering.
He looks fucking good though.
Oh yeah,
but I agree. A version of Ubering, yeah.
Yeah, but if he tweeted it on my page, there's a guy.
Over and finish him off.
This fight's over.
Pound for over.
Fight's over.
Shout out to
Fight's over. Powerful.
I always root for Ubering.
Look at the back on that motherfucker.
Still doing it, man. 38,
still doing it.
Right there too. One more win and he's a title shot. He's always that guy. Just over it.
Well, he's definitely in the hunt for it. I mean, look, when he fought Stipe, remember when he hurt Stipe?
Yeah.
It's just as possible he could have stopped.
Then he thought he tapped him, remember?
Yeah.
And they're like, Joe, let's bring that up. And well, maybe not there.
Well, that was when I decided not to interview people that have been KO'd. I just it's not fair. They have a false memory. Like he just got knocked out.
That means that there's good people in there that are going after the bad people. But to me, I look at the bright side. I used to think there was no hope. I used to think, fuck, like when the Bushes were in office, Clinton, Obama, I was like, I didn't pay attention to shit.
This is why you lost. We have to change some things. And, many times I changed a lot of stuff. Actually, this time I also changed a lot of stuff. The main thing, of course, being the location, being switching teams. But there's a couple more things I changed as well. And then I just want to go again. And I don't know, it seems that new weapons, new ways of training, new...
personal with the fighters and really getting to see the action. So we'll continue to build that in the arena, but really, build it on television as well.
I feel like your format is perfect for the Vinny Magayeshas of the world, the Ray Coopers of the world, the Jake Shieldses of the world, meaning...
lugnt på lekfältet.
Så här kan vi göra. Vart ska vi nu? Rakt fram.
Your outfit was phenomenal, by the way. The pink, I think it was pink. I'm not really, I'm colorblind. That was pink, right?
Yeah, that was pink. That's like electric pink and blue and all those colors. It was a throwback. It was a throwback today. The thing. It was like a hot tub time machine thing. I was getting commented on it all the time. It was funny. It was cool. I liked it.
Is Mini Bless coming to Toronto?
Oh, you know, Mini Bless be there ringside, man. You know, I can't. That guy's about to. The photo shoot my man up here, but you know, I don't know, man. The kid is special. The kid is Mini Bless is, you know, Bless is more than a nickname to us, and you can see, man. That guy, I don't know what it's like.
Yeah, a lot of energy.
Does he like to come to the gym with you and watch you and try to emulate you?
Jesus Christ.
Yeah, he'll come down to the gym and I'll be...
Disagree that moments like this make you feel that way, but so do moments like Tyson Fury coming back from what he's come from, that redemption story, or not even redemption, but that bounce back story, that comeback scene. It feels like forever ago, but we were even talking about, this was around the time of Jake Paul or Logan and KSI. The idea of Sage coming up on free agency and potentially doing his own thing. I think there's plenty of opportunities for him to be in the UFC at a later